first case we will hear is from Mr. Tian Junjie, who is from the Shanghai Academy of Environmental Science. And he will be giving us the experience on emissions control of VOC in Shanghai. So again, the VOCs become very important, particularly in industrial areas. And we all know the rapid economic development in China, industries that are found there. And let's hear from our colleague, Mr. Tian. Junjie.
Okay, morning everyone. It's happy to be here to report with so many experts around the world. And the theme of my report is Prevention and Control of VOC Pollution in Shanghai, Progress, Achievement, and Prospect. The report includes the following three aspects. The first is the progress of air pollution prevention and control in Shanghai. Shanghai has been preventing air pollution early years since 1917, and with the first 3 decades focusing on dust removal, desulfurization, and industrial layout reorganization. And comprehensive remediation began after 2000 years with a key project including the 3-year action plan for environmental protection and the 2-round clean air plan action. The 2-round clean air action has a different focus. The first round dramatically reduction of SO2, NOx, and the PM with a focus on reducing PM to 0.5 level and started to regulate the VOCs. The second round further enhancing NOx governance measures, regulating industrial VOC emission and strengthening synergistic control of multiple pollutants. So let's say the achievement. We can see during these years, all kinds of the pollutants have a huge reduction, and mitigating air pollutants emitted from the power plants, boilers, key enterprises, and mobile source is a key to achieve the goal of air pollutant emission reduction from these years. And the second part is the progress and prevention and control in Shanghai. Shanghai started the work about VOC treatment the very early years, and since 2007, Shanghai has established the city-wide emission survey about VOCs, and then we carry out pilot projects in key enterprises in some big industrial, such as Shanghai Petrochemical and other enterprises. And the VOCs, the first stage of VOCs and the second stage began in 2014 and 2020. In 2014, the Shanghai Air Pollution Prevention and Control Regulations were officially released and implemented the same years, which laid a legal foundation for the management and enforcement of VOC pollution prevention and control in Shanghai. In addition, Shanghai has released many leading technical specifications and industrial standards, such as catering, printing, and so on. At the same time, we have established the WeChat official account platform, and more than 400 articles on VOC were published to the general public. And Shanghai has issued many positive guidance. One important is subsidence. By the end of 2017, total 236 million RMB. About VOCs subsidies were allocated to over 600 enterprises. That's a huge number. And through these years, the total emission of NOx and VOCs in Shanghai has been reduced by 27% and 33%, and the concentration of ample VOCs is reduced almost 30%. And during the second stage of VOC, we are more we emphasizing precise, scientific, and legal pollutant control, and highlighting source control, process management, and strict terminal control. And we focus on petrochemical, chemical, and industrial coating and other 3 areas. And emission reductions potential for VOCs and NOx from industrial source were 7,000 tons and 4,000 tons during this stage. And based on those work, we have provided guidance and assistance. These are the pictures during the stage of VOCs 2.0. The last is my work plan and prospect. The objective is establishing a collaborative control system for PM 2.5 and ozone pollution, and strengthening the synergistic emission reduction of VOCs and NOx. And the other, we want to establishing a regulation system for reactive VOCs. There's 2 aspects. One is prevention and control system, and the other is evaluation system. That's my report. Thanks for listening.